This video presentation is a revised edition, revised video for configuring and calibrating a differential pressure transmitter for measuring a measuring tank level. We have for the transmitter we have a low side and the high side. And the high side of the transmitter, there is a connected hose. At the other end of the hose, it is connected at a valve. You need to open the valve. It is located underneath the water measuring tank. We need to open the valve. It operates by hydrostatic pressure. The transmitter has two wires. The red one goes to the red terminal and the yellow one to the yellow terminal for the port 220 milliampere signal, process signal. But we also need a power supply for the transmitter. The red one goes to the power supply of 25 volts and the yellow one connected to the negative side of the supply for a 24 volt supply for the transmitter. All in, we have 4 wires, 2 for the process signals and 2 for the supply. And we open the mains to power up our transmitter. We need to take out the cover. It is for dust proofing, drip proofing of your transmitter. The transmitter has a computer with 2 buttons and a screen. That one is the next button and the enter button. Pressing new unit. We have 2 inches of water and centimeter of water. Presenting is choosing the appropriate units. I have chosen inches of water. Rearrange. Upper range value. The next button. The enter will change the values. For the upper range, I've chosen 25 inches of water. For the height, currently setting up the value for the URV towards 25 inches of water. Place DP is an option for decimal points. Setting up the lower range values now. So for the lower range value, I have chosen 5 inches of water. Since now we have an URV value and an LRV value, we need to save it. Push enter. to calibrate it. We have the lower range value of 5. That is more than 5. We need to drain the tank. So configuring is like giving the transmitter a command and saving it. Calibrating it will require an actual value for the values you entered. So we need to drain it a little. That is 5 inches in actual value of the tank. The transmitter shows 6.2. We need to push the enter button, and will indicate calibration weight. And there you have it. It's 4.99. That's 5. So next is the URV. So currently it's the same as the actual and the transmitter values. Next will be the upper range value, URV, and that is 25 inches of water. We need to fill the tank up to 25 inches of water height. We run the motor. To reduce the level a bit, drain it a little, up to 25 inches of water height actual, and we check the transmitter's reading. We have 24.6, almost 25, and it is rising. We need to push the enter button and wait. Then URV, upper range value is done. We need to save it. We need to push the enter button. Now we need to test it. Say 20 inches of water. So we drain the tank a little until 20 inches of water. So we had configured values, saved it, and then calibrated the values with its actual values, then saved it, and now we're having a test run of it. So it is 20 inches of water. Let us check the actual. It is the same. That is 20. Yes, it's less than a little bit less. Still the same. Reducing water level, draining it. Let's say 16 inches of water from the 20 inches of water height to 16. Yes, it is the same. It is the same. 16 inches of water also indicated on the surface or on the screen of the transmitter. Our calibration is okay. That is 9 inches of water height. Yes, it is still the same. It is the same with the actual water level. We need to put the cover for protection of our transmitter's onboard computer. It is splash proof, drip proof, and a waterproof, shock proof cover. Thank you for watching. This laboratory is for lab vault level process station. Transmitter calibration.